Welcome to Home Buyers Guide SA. In this video, we'll show you how to add your first property so you can prepare for your next viewing and keep all your property assessments organized in one convenient place. From the home screen, tap Add Property to create a new property. The first step is selecting the property type. Choose the option that best matches the property you'll be viewing, whether it's a house, complex, or apartment. Next, enter the property's address details. Adding the correct address makes it easy to identify and compare properties throughout your home buying journey. Now complete the basic property information, including the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, parking spaces, property size, and the purchase or asking price. These details help keep your assessments organized and make it easier to compare multiple properties later. You can also choose an assessment date. This optional field allows you to record the date you plan to view the property, helping you keep track of upcoming appointments. If you'd like, you can also add additional notes. This is a great place to record important information from the property listing, reminders, or questions you'd like to ask the estate agent during the viewing. Once you've entered all the information, tap Save and Continue. Your property has now been successfully added and will appear in your properties list, ready for you to begin your property assessment. That's it. You've successfully added your first property. In the next lesson, we'll show you how to edit your property details before starting your first property assessment. Thanks for watching, and remember, Home Buyer's Guide. Know before you buy.